Hello kids. Today we are going to see 5th class maths 10th chapter part 3. How much does it weigh chapter. Okay. Page number 96. A wholesale grocer has items in large quantities. Fill in the table with total weight of each item. 1 quintal equals to 100 kilograms. Okay. 1 quintal is 100 kilograms. Okay. First, onions. Number of bags is 20. Weight of each bag is 40 kgs. So what is the total weight? So how you'll find total weight? So there are total 20 bags of onions. Okay, each bag has 40 kgs. So here we have to find total weight of onions. So how you'll find total weight of onions? So there are 20 bags and each bag has 40 kgs. So if you multiply these two, you'll be getting total weight. Okay. So 40 into 20 is equals to 800 kgs. Okay. 20 bags into 40. Okay. Each bag has 40. So 20 into 40 is nothing but 800 kgs. So 800 kgs of onions are there. Okay. And you convert into quintals. Already we know 1 quintal equals to 100 kilograms. So 800 is nothing but 8 quintals. Okay. Similarly, you have to find paddy total weight and red gram total weight. Okay. So I have done here. You first try to solve it and recheck the answers here. Okay. Next, the heaviest animals in the world. About how many kilograms do you think a cat weighs? Similarly, dogs, pigs, cows. Okay. Do you know how much they weigh? Approximately, just tell the weight of these animals. Who do you think is the heaviest animal in the world? Okay, already picture is given. Elephant. I am the heaviest animal on land. My weight is about 5000 kgs. Okay, below that, my weight is about 35 times more than yours. I live in sea. What is that? You can see there. Okay, it is a whale. Okay, that whale's weight is 35 times more than ours. Okay, and elephant weight is 5000 kgs. Okay, that is the heaviest animal in the world. Okay, so these two are the heaviest animals, that is elephant and the whale. Now we'll see the questions. First one, think which animal in your surroundings weighs closest to your weight. Okay, approximately your weight might be 25 to 30 kgs. Okay, so which animal has closest weight, that is around that weight, same weight of yours, nearest to your house. Okay, near your surroundings. Which animal will be weighing nearer to the weight of yours? If you take cat will be less. Okay, there is around 5 to 6 kgs, 3 to 4 kgs, like that it will be. If you take cow, it will be more weight. If you take dog will be around 25 to 30 kgs. Okay, so dog is nearer to your weight. Next, B-bit. If each child in your class weighs 25 kgs, then will the weight of all the students in your class be more than or less than an elephant's weight? So try to calculate this. If your class strength is around 40 members, 40 students, okay, 25 into 40, how much it will be? Okay, you try to calculate and see. Next, C-bit. The weight of the elephant is about how many times of your weight? Your weight is, suppose if your weight is 25 kgs and elephant's weight is 5000 kgs. So how many times it is more than you? It is around 25 times more than your weight. Okay. Next, D1. How many quintals does the elephant weigh? Already we have seen elephant's weight is 5000 kgs. 100 kgs is equals to 1 quintal. So 5000 kgs is nothing but 50 quintals. Okay. Heavy weight carriers. Here you can see heavy weight carriers: truck, lorry, container truck. Okay. First one, how much weight can these trucks carry? A-bit. The lorry can carry 7500 kgs of weight. If one carton weighs 15 kgs, then how many such cartons can the lorry carry? Okay, lorry can carry 7,500 kgs of weight. Okay, how many cartons it should carry? One carton weight is 15 kgs. So how many cartons it can carry? Total weight it can carry is 7,500. Weight of one carton is 15 kgs. So number of cartons lorry can carry equals to 7,500 divided by 15. Okay. So this division part you do yourself. Directly answer I am giving. Divisions, multiplication, addition, subtractions, all you try yourself. Okay. So 7,500 divided by 15 you will be getting 500. So total 500 cartons it can carry. Okay. Second one. The truck can carry 9,000 kgs of weight. Shyam is loading sacks of rice into the truck, each weighing about 50 kgs. How many such sacks can Shyam load into the truck? Okay, truck can carry 9,000 kgs of weight. Okay, so weight of each sack is 50 kgs. Number of sacks can be loaded into the truck is nothing but 9,000 divided by 50. Okay, so here also same division part. Okay, 9,000 divided by 50 you try to do yourself. Answer is 180. Okay, so total number of sacks is nothing but 180. Okay, next C bit. The container truck can carry 20,000 kgs of weight. How many cars weighing each about 2,500 kgs can the truck carry? Okay, so a container truck, okay, it can carry 20,000 kgs of weight. Okay, so one weight of one car is 2,500 kgs. So how many cars it can carry we have to see here. Okay, so total number of cars a container truck can carry equals to 20,000 divided by 2,500. Okay, that is nothing but 8. So total 8 cars the container truck can carry. Okay, division again here also you do yourself. Okay, next, how many quintals of weight can the three types of vehicles carry? Already each vehicle how much weight they are carrying is given. Okay, lorry is 7,500 kgs. You convert to quintals. Truck also, container truck also. Here I have written the answers, but you try without seeing and then you can recheck here. Okay. Next exercise. The weight of one mango is 400 grams and one guava is 200 grams and one muskmelon is 1 kg 200 grams. Now fill this table based on this information. Okay. First one, weight of 2 mangoes equals to weight of dash guavas. So weight of 2 mangoes, how much? 1 mango is 400 grams. 2 mangoes is 400 into 2, that is 800 grams. Okay, 1 guava is 200 grams. 4 guavas is 800 grams. Okay, so weight of 2 mangoes is equals to weight of 4 guavas. Okay, so 1 guava is 200 grams. So you have to get 800 grams. How will you get 800 grams? If you multiply with 4. So 4 guavas is nothing but 800 grams. Therefore, 2 mangoes is nothing but weight of 2 guavas. Okay. Next, weight of 5 muskmelons equals to weight of dash mangoes. Weight of 5 mangoes and 2 guavas equals to weight of dash muskmelon. These you try yourself. Here answers I am giving. You recheck the answers. If you have any doubt, you can comment. I'll definitely reply you. Okay. So you check the answers here, 15 and 2. I've written here. Okay. Next we'll see. Banu bought 3 kgs 500 grams of jalebi, 2 kgs 250 grams of Mysore pak and 1 kg 750 grams badusha and 750 grams of jamun. What is the total weight of the sweets that Banu bought? Okay, you have to add all the weights and you have to write the answer. Okay, so I am showing the answer here. You recheck the answer. Try to do yourself. If you have confusion, you convert everything into grams and then add. Okay, so see here, 3 kgs 500 grams jalebi, 2 kgs 250 grams Mysore pak, 1 kg 750 grams badusha, and 750 grams jamun. Add all these things. Okay, so see here, I've added. Totally you will be getting 8 kgs 250 grams. Okay, that is total sweet. If you are confused to add like this, you do one thing, you convert everything to grams and then add. Okay, next one, a box contains 8 kg 750 grams of apples. If there are 12 such boxes, find the total weight of apples. See, one box 8 kg 750 grams. 12 boxes how much? So 12 boxes how much means you have to multiply 8 kg 750 grams into 12. Okay, so see here, I have converted 8 kg 750 grams into grams. Okay, total grams are converted, that is 8,750 grams. So that you have to multiply with 12. So if you multiply, you will be getting 1,05,000 grams. You have to convert to kgs, you will be getting 105 kgs. So total weight of the apples equals to 105 kgs. A school received 6 quintals of rice for midday meal in the month of June. They utilized 475 kgs. How many kgs of rice is unutilized? Okay, so 6 quintals you convert into kgs first. Okay, if you convert into kgs, you will be getting 600 kgs. So rice utilized is 475 kgs. So unutilized means you have to subtract 6 quintals minus 475, that is 600 kgs minus 475. So you will be getting 125 kgs. Okay. Fifth one, this truck can carry 10,000 kgs of weight. A. So how many quintals can the truck carry? Okay, 10,000 kgs of weight it can carry. So you convert into quintals. Already we know 1 quintal is equals to 100 kgs. So truck can carry how many quintals? 10,000 by 100 divided by 100. So you will be getting 100 quintals. Okay. Next B bit. If it is already loaded with 3,650 kgs, how many more kilograms of weight can it carry? The weight equals to about how many quintals? Okay. So already it has 3,650 kgs. So still how much load it can carry? It can carry totally 10,000 kgs. So already we have loaded 3,650. So 10,000 kgs minus 3,650, you will be getting the remaining load. Okay. So 10,000 kgs minus 3,650, you will be getting 6,350 kgs. That you again convert into quintals. Okay. 63 quintals 50 kgs. Okay. Understood? By this we completed this chapter. If you have any doubts, you comment. I'll try to reply you. Okay. We'll meet in next video. Bye kids.